Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Toyota Corolla alternator. Before starting, prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative battery cable. You'll need a few common tools, including 10mm, 12mm, and 14mm sockets, along with a ratchet and a torque wrench. The alternator is usually found on the passenger side of the engine bay, driven by the serpentine belt. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Next, remove the plastic engine cover and loosen the serpentine belt tensioner using a 12mm socket to release tension. This allows you to slip the belt off the alternator pulley. Then, disconnect the electrical connector and the main positive battery cable, typically secured by a 10mm nut, from the alternator. Finally, remove the two mounting bolts, a 14mm pivot bolt and a 12mm adjustment lock bolt, and carefully wiggle the old alternator out of its bracket. Now, carefully place your new alternator into the engine's mounting bracket. Reinstall the bottom 14mm pivot bolt and the top 12mm adjustment lock bolt, but only hand tighten them for now. This allows for belt tension adjustment. Next, guide the serpentine belt back onto all the pulleys, ensuring it is properly seated on the new alternator's pulley. Double-check that the belt is aligned correctly on every pulley before proceeding. With the belt in place, adjust its tension so it has about 1/2 inch of deflection. Then, tighten the 14mm pivot bolt to 32 foot-pounds and the 12mm adjustment lock bolt to 14 foot-pounds. Reconnect the electrical harness and the positive battery cable to the alternator, securing the 10mm nut to 87 inch-pounds. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and use a multimeter to confirm the charging voltage is between 13.5 and 15 volts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.